Hello my dear student, welcome you all in science class. So today we are going to learn about the electric current and about the dry cell, structure of a dry cell, and what are the types of cells, like whether how it is, what is cell and how the batteries are being formed. That will be learning in this part. This is part 2. Okay, let's learn about the electric current. So, electric current is, student, as I told you about the charges, which are flow of charges only makes the or helps to allow the electric current to flow into the closed path. So, that positive and negative charges, flowing of charges called as electric current. So, student, what happened there in a cell? This is a cell. This is source of electric current. This is negative terminal. It is having the positive terminal of it. The cells are having the two terminal. One is positive, another one is negative terminal. So positive and negative terminal are helping to identify, like if we are going to attach two more cells. So in which direction that flow of charges will be there. So that helps in that. So we should know about which is positive and which is negative. Ready-made battery, ready-made cells, it is already, the symbols are already made there, it is written positive terminal and negative terminal of it. So, for like allowing the electric, it is a source of electric current, and as it is a source of electric current, it allows the electric current to pass through the wires. So, it flows from positive terminal to the negative terminal of the cell into the wires. Outside of the cell, the flow of charges will be there from positive terminal to the negative terminal of it. And from inside if we talk about, so definitely the charges are flowing from a negative terminal to the positive terminal of the cell. Hope it is clear. And as this current is flowing into the particular path, so if we want to stop this current, the flow of charges, if you want to stop it, then definitely you have to make the open circuit. Like for making it open, you need to place the device here, which is called as switch. Okay, as this switch is being placed here, that as we are going to on the button, that helps to complete the circuit, and that complete circuit allows the electric current to flow through it. If we are going to off the button, that helps to open the circuit. As it will be open, the current will not be flowing into the wires and it will not be reaching to the another end, so that the flow of current will be stopped. So this is how the electric current will flow and will not flow into the wires. So student, I think this is clear to you all. Now let's learn about a structure of a dry cell. The structure of a dry cell, in this what happened? Dry cell means this is the cell. आप लोगों ने वो that jumbo cell maybe you have seen at your home. In the geysers it is being placed, or else we can say that in our bed, in our watch wall, you know. So in that the dry cell is being used. So what kind of a structure it is having? उसमें कैसे चार्जेस डेवलप होते हैं, वो क्या हेल्प करता है? सो एज विल बी ओपनिंग इट, अगर हम उसको ब्रेक करके देखते हैं, तोड़ के देखते हैं, then we are going to find that it is having a, in the middle part of it, this is the dark black color part you are going to find in, the rod is going to coming out from it, that is the black rod is called as carbon rod. इसमें कार्बन की रॉड होती है. It's having the carbon rod is having the metallic cap over it, that is it is made by the metal one. Metallic cap is being fixed on it, so that helps to conduct the electrical charges. Metals are the good conductor of electricity. And fine. Now, and this carbon rod is being surrounded by the mucilin bag structure, which is made by the manganese and the charcoal. Manganese or charcoal का powder जो होता है, that is being made, and this is surrounded to it. Manganese and charcoal. This is again this mucilin bag is being surrounded by the ammonium chloride paste. Ammonium chloride के paste से इसको this is mucilin bag is being surrounded by, this is mucilin bag. Mucilin bag is surrounded by the mixture of by the ammonium chloride paste, and then what happens there at its end. The another terminal of the cell is the negative terminal. It is made by the, as it is having the covering of zinc metal, zinc can, ये पूरा जो है वो zinc का बना हुआ है, metal का बना हुआ है. Its last end is called, another end is called as negative terminal. And what happens when these terminals are getting connected with the wires and these wires are getting connected to each other, then electrical charges will start flowing through the, will start developing. These manganese dioxide and charcoal and ammonium chloride paste are started reacting with each other. वो आपस में react करना start करेंगे and they will be producing the positive and negative charges here. Just like chlorine is there, the chlorine is going to produce the negative charges. And if we talk about the manganese or else ammonia, ammonium is there, so these are going to produce the positive charges, and due to that, the charges are going to flow through the wires, and that makes or helps to conduct the electric current to pass through the wires, and the bulb will glow or any object you can run with it. Hope this is clear to everyone. Now let's learn about these cells. If we talk about the cell, so cell and or else battery. So cell are basically what? Cells are the single structure of, just like as I have made it. This is a single structure of the cell. The single is what it is called as cell. If we are going to connect these cells together, two or more cells getting combined together, so we are calling them, it is battery. So when it is single, it is called as cell. When it combines together, it is going to form battery. The symbolic forms you can use here for making the circuits, or in science, whenever you are going to form the diagrams for whenever you are going to learn about the physics and all. So in that you have to draw the diagrams, so that those diagrams, for making those diagrams, you need to draw the symbolic form of it. You have to use the symbols of it. So the symbol for cell which is to be used, that is the big line and the single line, the small line is there. The bigger line is going to show the positive terminal of the cell, and the smaller line which shows, or shorter line shows that the symbol for negative terminal of the cell. And this is having only one cell. If we talk about when these are getting connected together, when these are going to combine and form the battery. So here you are finding 1, 2, 3, 4 cells are getting connected together. It's positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative. So likewise, as they are combined together, here 4 cells are getting combined together. So this is going to form the battery here. Hope this is clear to everyone. We'll be learning about this some more thing in the next video, in the next part. Till the time, thank you and have a nice day.